to record your screen on iPhone in just 2 steps. Well, let's see.
Well, to do that, the first thing that you need to do is go to Control Center, through the settings, click type control and you will go to control center. Make sure that your screen recording is included in the included controls section and not under the more controls section. This can be done by just taking the option that you want, that is screen recording, and clicking on the plus icon here. It'll move to the included control section. You can also remove it at a later point of time if required by just deleting it. Click on the minus icon and remove it. So well, this is how you enable screen recording, and once you've enabled that, all you need to do is pull this down, and in the control section you would have a button that is for screen recording. By default it would be grayed out or white, just like the other icons. Once you click on it, it'll start with a timer of 3 seconds. You can allow microphone and turn it on or off, just as I did when I started this recording.